Hey YouTube, I just want to give a quick review on this US General Toolbox. And yes, it came from Harbor Freight. And I purchased this about, I don't know, probably going on 5 years ago. But, um, just kind of a longer term review here. I guess first things first, I mean, it does have some really good capacity. I do like the actuators on the cover. They hold the cover up, that's for sure. Got some pretty good capacity. You can see here I keep all my big sockets up in the top and smaller sockets in one of the drawers. And I will say, for this drawer in particular, this is pretty heavy, with all these sockets in here and extensions and everything. So drawer slides work really well. I can put the thing all the way out and really no problem. I mean, it's got the ball bearing slides in there, closes nice and smooth and everything. Heavier things down below, and it's got some pretty good capacity there. So generally, no issues with the drawers whatsoever so far, and including up on top here, top box, bottom box. The casters are nice and sturdy on this thing. I can move it around anywhere in the garage, no issues. Let's see. And nice thing is Harbor Freight is starting to come out with some pretty cool stuff, like these hook magnets that you can attach on the side. And recently I bought this power outlet, which is actually magnetic, and it does have a couple of USBs on there. So they do have some nice add-ons for this box. And I'm not a professional mechanic, but I do get into some pretty heavy stuff on occasion. This box has been used and abused for the last 4 or 5 years, and it has held up for me quite well. So want to give this a pretty good review here, at least for my uses. Probably going to give this thing a 9. I don't really have anything bad to say about it. Only reason I'm giving it a 9 is because it's not, it's not a Snap-on, it's not a Mac box, and probably not quite as good quality, but for my uses, the quality is just fine. So anyway, this one's a thumbs up. I'm giving it a 9.